Hey, what's up, guys? We got another 4 hangers to open up today. We have 4 Topps Chrome Basketball 2025-26 hangers to open. We opened 5 yesterday. We got a number to 50, a number to 75. And today we're just trying to keep the streak going, possibly hit some color. Obviously, want to hit another Cooper Flag. No SSPs. I watched a brutal opening earlier today of 22 hangers. It was one high. There was one numbered card. It was like numbered to like 299. It was like a whack insert out of 22 hangers. One Cooper Flag base, and I was like, ooh. I was like, you know what? To hit 2 colors and a Cooper Flag base out of 5 hangers, these 4 might hold something even better. We might have a hot case, even though we don't have a case. But yeah, and we haven't hit an SSP, so I really want to hit one. So without further ado, let's see what we can get. All right. First blaster. Start out with a Drake Powell. Porzingis. Also looking for them MVPs. Possibilities. The Shays. The Jokers. We got activators. Kyrie. Inspiration, Dillard Hopper. We did get a top rookie. Even though it's just a base insert, we will put that to the side. And a meh first hanger. Let's see if the second one does this a little bit better. We start off with a Darius Garland, Giannis, Julius Randle, Hartenstein. Oh, Jabari Smith, the 399. So we have more color. There's a green behind this. I don't know what this is. There's one player I hope it is. Let's see. Tyrese Maxey to 99. We got 2 number cards back to back. Does that happen? Is that a thing? Is that a freaking thing? Let me know in the comments. Is that a freaking thing? Have you seen that? Jabari Smith, Tyrese Maxey, $3.99. 6 of 99 right behind it. Oh my God. And this isn't even neither one of these is a pulsar. The other 2 that I have pulled were freaking pulsars. The number cards in the last video, I'm not going to say who they were. You need to go check it out. Show your boys some love. We're trying to make content. We're trying to grow the channel. But yes, the last video we opened up 4 hanger boxes. There were 2 number cards, 1 to 75, 1 to 50. Both of them were pulsars, right? Out of 5 hangers. This is the second hanger out of 4 today. And back-to-back number cards. And they're freaking like, they're not even pulsars. It's like, I thought these were only like hobby exclusive. Obviously, I was wrong. No rookies. But I'm just hyped to pull stuff like that, you know, for the PC. So let's keep it going, man. We got a con. It's just the activator's base, but we got a con. We got a Dirk Serenity. I pulled the Pulsar Serenity Dirk in the last video. Spoiler, we got a con base. We got a Derek White. We got a Will Riley. So put that to the side. I don't even know why I put those over there. That's crazy though. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. Alright, we're halfway through. You know, the second box I think was the best box yesterday too. Am I seeing a theme here? I think I am. Is there even freaking memorabilia cards in retail this year? I haven't seen any. Haven't watched too much, but haven't seen any at all. All right, we start off with a Vessel, Nas Reed, Castle, Caruso. Who wish, man, I really wish he was still on the Lakers, man. Key piece to the bubble championship that everybody hates except for Lakers fans, which I think was one of the most important championships of all time. Because we was all sitting in our house with nothing to do, complaining because there was no sports. These guys got out, went to Florida, stayed away from their families for the most part, and did nothing but ball. And then the Lakers win, and everybody complains. Whatever. Let's keep it moving. Jalen Williams. Bradley Beal. I still haven't pulled a freaking LeBron James. Not even a base. Can I at least get a base, please? Card guys, let's go. Bro, are you kidding me? What did I just say? And then you give me his son. You know, that is life right there. That is life, is it not? You know what? That's still going to the side. We do got a Wemby. Big Wemby fan. Even though it's a base, inspirational. It's going, ooh. Voices. Huh. Voices. Is that just a regular insert? I haven't pulled one. Yesterday I had my list with me. Today I didn't have my list with me. Let me know in the chat. Is this a regular insert? I really like this. Even though it's not a refractor or anything. Max Christie, another person I wish would have stayed on the Lakers. Really good upside. Okay. We are on our last hanger box. It's the last one, guys. Can we pull something good? Dun 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 dun. Okay, here we go. Can we get a LeBron James senior? Can we get a senior? Oh. Okay. Sorry about hitting the camera. What? The rip is over. Let's go over the hits. Well, what I think is the hits. Other people might not think the same, but to me, these are the hits. We got the voices, Steph Curry. We got the inspirational, Wemby. Any Wemby is a hit for me. we got the Bronny James Jr. Silver, just because of the irony. The number to 399 Jabari Smith Jr. The number to 99 Maxi. The Con Activators. And the inspirational Dylan Harper. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about the hangers, what you think about the megas, what you think about the hobby boxes. I'm really thinking about getting some mega boxes. I really want to get some Ray Waves. Get that chance of getting that Cooper Flag. Get that LeBron. Maybe a Steph. Yeah, and you know what's crazy too? No edge combs at all. 2 videos, 9 blasters, no edge combs. Not even a freaking insert. That's kind of crazy, right? I would think so. But anyway, another break has came and gone. Let me know in the comments what you think about the product. Let me know what you pulled. And until next time, I'm out.